దావోస్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ లాంచ్లో ది ఫాస్ట్ లేన్ ఇన్వెస్టింగ్ ఎట్ స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ గ్రోత్ అనే అంశంపై నిర్వహించిన రౌండ్ టేబుల్ సమావేశంలో విద్యా ఐటీ శాఖ మంత్రి నారా లోకేష్ పాల్గొన్నారు.
And we're looking at what else we can do in the state.
Yep.
So I think that's really not answering your question.
No, but
I mean, that is a challenge for the entire political system. I mean, if you look at it globally, to be fair, I think the Indian political system definitely looks a lot better. Saying that, I believe that there's greater maturity now coming in, and it requires greater discussion. But behind, all the investments, we're talking about, X amount of dollars or Y amount of land that's required. But the most fundamental point is the number of jobs we're going to create. And that is the narrative that this time around, as a state, we're very focused upon. It's important to explain to people that what's the impact that each of these investments will have and the kind of jobs it's going to create. So you create a very strong momentum so that things cannot be overturned. Yes, things have been reversed in the past, but I believe it's been an isolated incident for Andhra Pradesh in one administration. But look at it. Look at Hyderabad. What are the foundations that Mr. Naidu laid in 94 have been continued. And look at the city today. Look at the state today. It has the highest per capita income in India. Because the narrative was set. So it's equally important for the politicians to not just look at this from an investment perspective, but also build a narrative so strong that whoever comes, I believe that there'll never be a change in Andhra Pradesh. India will be governing Andhra Pradesh for the foreseeable future. Saying that it's important to ensure that a strong narrative is there and we are able to convince people at every point as we go forward.
and that's an important point that you make. So I just want to build a little bit on this narrative that you want to build on the back of the jobs that these investments will create. What's part of that package? Jobs, of course, will be one pillar, but what's part of the package that you're going to be communicating, not just domestically, but internationally as well?
No, see, as a state, we have a clear direction, right? We have the Swarnandhra mission, which is where we see Andhra Pradesh in 2047. So we have clear targets, we have clear sectors. We just spoke about manufacturing and the importance of, speed in manufacturing. I also believe that the way we have looked at it is a cluster-based approach. I've had opportunity to share that with you. And that's where we are working with Renew, and they've been supporting our initiative on a rapid prototyping center, which we want to bring in from Sydney.